In this demo, I want to show the Unibright Framework, which is now the Provide Framework. It's a no or low-code business process modeling tool, including code generation, including connection to off-chain systems, and also including monitoring tools to visualize the current state of a process. And the complete approach of that framework makes total sense also in the baseline environment. So just for the history part of it, we started developing the Unibright framework back in 2017, and it consists of various components. There is a design tool where you can define your business process visually and then map it to an actual instance, meaning a specific code platform or specific blockchain. Also visualizing Explorer to monitor the ongoing process, and adapters and connectors to off-chain systems. And now we take a look how this looks in the baseline environment. This is the current state of a workflow baseline document flow template where you can define a document flow, so different documents that should be baselined between several participants. In this case, we took the example out of the Kona case, where we have purchase orders, we have sales orders that should be baselined, we have shipping notifications that should be baselined, and then following in the process we also have goods receipts and at the end of the process invoices. So these are the logic representations of objects to be baselined, and to actually model the flow and the connection between these objects, we can also model the application specific circuits here. They contain proofs how these objects play together or how they are referenced to each other, or can also include specific business logic checks that can be defined by regular expressions. For example, that only sales orders can be baselined when they have a specific target country or a specific amount or a specific supplier, something like that. And coming from that generic model, which does not contain code at all, you can then specify the actual instance, meaning how does, in this example, a sales order look like. And these model definitions can be heavily inspired from the leading system, in this case SAP. So here you define how it actually, how the actual instance looks, so that with a connector you can connect them to, for example, an SAP system or any other system of record that's used in the process. And also can use the Explorer later to monitor the ongoing process. So here it's about code generation, it's about talking to the business process specialist who can use this tool without needing any knowledge or any deeper knowledge of the coding that results out of it, because all this is done automatically. And this is especially important for onboarding smaller participants in a baseline process that can also rely on standards and can be part of the modeling process before the actual baselining starts.